The inauguration of Empresa de Mais Audiovisuais, MAV, first virtual studio in Lisbon marks a major technological milestone for the Portuguese audio and video media sector. At the heart of this achievement is VNTC, responsible for the complete system integration that powers the facility. Featuring a 25 by 5 meter, 1.9 millimeters pitch LED wall and an 8 by 5 meter, 3.9 millimeters pitch LED ceiling, powered by Alphalite LED panels. This new virtual studio positions MAV among the most advanced virtual production facilities in Europe, prepared for the present and future of content creation.
Behringer has introduced the new SDS3, a powerful analog drum synthesizer. Featuring 4 fully independent drum channels and a dedicated FX section, SDS3 offers complete freedom to shape every hit, from tight, punchy beats to experimental percussive textures that drive any mix forward. The SDS3 is an authentic reproduction of the original circuitry from the 70s, updated with modern features for seamless integration into contemporary setups. Each of the 4 identical drum channels includes controls for shaping different aspects of a beat. User can add a click at the start of a sound, similar to a stick hitting a drum, adjust decay, bend a note up or down, change the pitch of a signal coming through, as well as the range of LFO and effects from the Master and Effects section. The most fun way of triggering the channels is by miking up a drum to each of the channels and just playing. The inputs are even velocity sensitive and responsive to playing dynamics.
The organizers of Integrated Systems Europe remind everyone about the ongoing registration for the 2026 edition of the event, which will take place on February 3rd to 6th at the Fira de Barcelona, under the theme that invites the industry to explore every opportunity and redefine what's possible. Push beyond. ISE 2026 is expected to transform the Fira de Barcelona into the epicenter of innovation and discovery, offering attendees to experience the truly remarkable. The Push Beyond theme challenges visitors to move beyond what is familiar and ordinary to explore what was once almost unimaginable. Registration for the event is available via the QR code displayed on your screen.
The Royal Lyceum Theatre Edinburgh has upgraded its sound system with Acoustics reference series loudspeakers. The 658-seat theatre consists of 3 levels: stalls, grand circle, and upper circle. For the stalls, 2 R8 loudspeakers in a wide format are positioned on either side of the proscenium to deliver full, even coverage. S15 subwoofers placed beneath the main R8S and in the stalls and discreetly hidden in the circle levels provide controlled low-frequency reinforcement across the room, ensuring a rich and balanced sound experience. A flown pair of R8S in a narrow format covers the 2 circle levels, supported by a dedicated pair of S12S. For vocal intelligibility and directivity, a flown center cluster of R6S anchors the sound to the stage, while a network of 20 R4 loudspeakers provides front fill, delay and box fill support. The system is powered entirely by Acoustics installation series amplifiers, providing optimal efficiency and control.
Flanders Scientific has unveiled the XMP 651, a 65-inch UHD HDR reference monitor, the larger sibling to the recently released 55-inch XMP 551. Designed for the most demanding HDR and SDR mastering environments, the XMP 651 is built on advanced QD-OLED technology, combining 4,000 nit peak luminance with an incredible 8 million to 1 contrast ratio. The monitor qualifies as a Dolby Vision mastering monitor and features UHD Quantum.OLED panel, volumetric auto calibration capability, ultra-wide color gamut, a quad view mode, and simultaneous HDR and SDR monitoring. It also offers full standard SDI connectivity and comprehensive on-screen analysis tools, including waveform, vector scope, and advanced false color.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.